This is how you make your Vevor diesel heater portable. So you can take it camping with you, use it for power outages, things like that. And with these 2 battery trays, you can wire as many up as you want. But what I did, you can buy these for DeWalt, Milwaukee, Ryobi, you name it, they have it. You can buy these trays on Amazon. These 2 are like $10. So what you do is you take, this is a 18 volt to 12 volt DC converter. And I also got this on Amazon. It was like, I don't know, 15, 20 bucks. It's lasted me like 2 years already, and it's been outdoors most of its life. Right now I'm rewiring these because these got messed up, unrelated to its quality. The dogs just got to it. So this right here, I'm gonna post the links in the description for you guys to buy this. And what I did is I hooked the hots up 2 into 1. I'm sure there's a better way to do this. And hook the neutrals up the same, or negatives. Each one has a 10 amp fuse, and right here is where you connect it to your diesel heater wiring. Most of the Vevor and all the other brands just have 2 naked wires like this. And you can use these couplers right here that come with it, or you can do it the right way and use these butt connectors. And this whole pack was like $6 on Amazon. And if you want to get real fancy, you can use this heat shrink right there. That's like another $6 on Amazon. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to screw this down, because this is pretty much why it got messed up, is because this was loose. The dogs messed with it. But I'm going to screw this down to this piece of plywood. I'm going to cut it and then build a little shelter over it. So all I've got to do is slide the batteries in and out. With these 2 12 amp hour batteries, I have complete confidence that the heater on like setting, because most of the heaters have like a 1 through 10 setting. If I set it to like between 1 and 3, I could probably get 20, 24 hours of battery out of this. On, a medium 5 to 10, I'm sure you could get every bit of 6 to 10 hours depending on temperature, things like that. So this is something that I have been doing, and it works great. I also use this for my fuel, this same exact setup. I only need 1 battery for the fuel auxiliary, but I can fill my entire truck's fuel tank without using 1 bar on the 5 amp hour battery. So they're very efficient. This is a great thing to have. It's versatile. You can use it on anything that's 12 volt sourced. So it's not just for the Vevor, but definitely something if you want to go camping, you need a backup. It's good to keep a spare one of these in your house or your vehicle if you're using one of these Vevors. Because if you do lose power for whatever reason, you at least have this as a backup, and you're going to be good for at least 24 hours on 2 batteries. Now, if you wire up more batteries, make sure you run them in a parallel, and you won't mess with the voltage any, and you could pretty much infinitely add batteries to it. So definitely worth doing. As I said, I'm going to post the products in the description. Please like and subscribe.